First things first, parental responsibility stationery. Would it even be January if these things don't feature? Of course not. Oh, today I outfit this crop situation and the skirt both from Pick and Pay Clothing. We are actually going to the beach. We just got a few items, not a few, but I mean, yeah, what is stationery items that I didn't get at the other store. And we are going to the beach. This hat is from Legit. And yeah, let's drive to the beach and enjoy. It was actually not as packed as it looked. There was still plenty of space around us. And yep, and shout out to the umbrella guys, man. Yeah, for sorting us out. They really do, and their service is excellent. And yeah, enjoy.